I have never been the kind of person who scares easily. Driving alone late at night never really bothered me. I actually enjoyed the silence of empty roads until that one night. I was driving back home after visiting a colleague. It was past midnight. The streets were almost completely deserted. I was using a shortcut I had never taken before. His voice sounded weak, almost trembling. "My brother is injured. He's just ahead." Like someone in pain, my heart started racing. The man pointed toward the trees, just a little further. We walked deeper into the darkness. The air felt colder. He walked ahead of me without saying a word. Suddenly, I noticed something strange. The groaning sound, it wasn't getting closer. It stayed the same, no matter how far we walked. "How much further?" I asked. He didn't answer. He just stopped and slowly turned around. His face was pale, his eyes empty. "You shouldn't have come out." He whispered. My body froze, and then I heard it again. But this time, it was coming from behind me. I turned and saw someone standing near my car. Another figure watching me. That's when I realized there was never anyone injured. They just wanted me away from my car. I ran as fast as I could. I could hear footsteps behind me, getting closer. I didn't dare look back. I reached my car, jumped inside, and locked the doors. My hands were shaking. I searched for my keys. They were gone. My heart dropped. Then I heard tapping on the glass. I slowly looked up. The man was standing there, smiling. Holding my keys, looking for these, I grabbed my phone and called the police, my voice barely steady. The man just stood there, staring at me, not moving, not blinking. Because sometimes help is just a trap waiting for you.